Hey everybody, it's Michael Pavlovich, and in this series we're going to talk about what's new in ZBrush 2019. We're going to start off with NPR, or non-photorealistic rendering, basically using ZBrush to make your 3D renders look like they were inked, sketched, painted, published in a comic book, cover illustration for a 1970s science fantasy novel. Really, any way you can think to render, you can do it in ZBrush. We'll cover both material and BPR filter settings in depth, and by the end you'll be able to confidently create your own look, or take one of the existing render sets found in your Lightbox and tweak it to suit your needs. I'd also suggest taking your old models and giving them new life by rendering them using this new system. It really is amazing seeing your old meshes look like brand new works of art. Next, we'll get into ZBrush's new folder system and options, which will not only allow you to organize your scenes better, but also include some handy built-in folder functionality as well, like multi-object transposing and Boolean processing. From there, we'll talk about ZBrush's awesome new ZRemesher 3.0 algorithm, tailored for turning your complex Boolean and imported CAD data objects into nice, optimized, hard surface subdivision-worthy meshes. Finally, we'll cover the updated Spotlight 2.0 functionality introduced in 2019, and how that ties into the incredible new Snapshot 3D functionality. You're now able to create 3D geometry on the fly using alpha sets loaded into Spotlight, with the ability to update those alphas within Spotlight on the fly, allowing you to create complex shapes quickly and easily just using the 2D source shapes. You'll see when you combine the Snapshot 3D geometry with the new hard surface ZRemesher algorithm and the non-photorealistic rendering that creative content creation has never been easier. I think you'll really like these new and updated features, so let's get started.